Hi, I'm Stephanie Prescott with REMAX Capital Properties, and with St. Patrick's Day tomorrow, a lot of people are talking about how to make corned beef and cabbage. And in real estate, everybody talks about a kitchen. So what do you need in your kitchen to make corned beef and cabbage? Well, I'm going to show you. And disclaimer, I'm totally not a cook or a great cook. I have just basic equipment, and that is it. So if I can make it, anyone can make it, and you can still get to the store today to get your stuff to make it for tomorrow. So I got out my pressure cooker, crock pot, and a regular stove pot. So any of those that you have, you can use. The pressure cooker's the fastest. You need to cook it 60 to 90 minutes, the roast, and then you'll add your vegetables, and then your cabbage even after that, if you do it that way, unless you like mushy vegetables. The crock pot is about 8.5 hours on low, which is how I would do it, and the pot is going to be about the same. So anyway, it's this easy. I've already cut open the meat, so there's a bunch of juice in it, and you just take it and you put it into your pot, and then you'll take the seasoning packet. Here's another one. I'll put this one in the pressure cooker. Open up your seasoning packet. And then you could add some vegetables now, or you can wait and add them in a little bit. I'm going to wait. I put 4 cups of water, 2 cups of water and 2 cups of beef broth into both of these pots. Pressure cooker, you lock it, you would turn it on to, I'd do 90 minutes on mine. The crock pot, just put your lid on it, and you get ready. In here I have celery, carrots, onion, and potatoes, and this is obviously cabbage. The meat cooks way down, the cabbage cooks way down. I hope you have a great St. Patrick's Day.